It's negative 26 degrees, and I'm going to be solving this 5x5 out in the snow. Look at this. It's cold. Yeah, it's really cold out here. Let's see if this works. Woohoo! It works! And now it turns to steam. Now is the challenge you've been waiting for, solving the 5x5 out here. And I'm actually gonna take my gloves off to make it a harder challenge. Oh my gosh, guys, it is so cold. I better inspect this 5x5. No turning back now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Start. I completely lost inspection right as I took my gloves off. I've only been solving it for a few seconds and I'm already getting cold. It normally takes me about 2 minutes to solve a 5x5. Oh my goodness. It's so cold. Sensors done. I better do this before my fingers freeze. I cannot feel my hands anymore. No. Please don't be what I think it is. It's a parody. Oh my goodness. Alright, 3x3 stage. It's so cold. Great, it's a T-perk. Done! Oh, I'm going in. I'm done. I solved the 5x5. It's negative 26 degrees and I just solved the 5x5 out here. Not only is it negative 20 degrees at night, but I'm going to be solving this 3x3 out here. I just did a 5x5 challenge this morning and that was a hard one. So now I'm going to be doing the giant 3x3. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it is so hard to turn this thing. And my hands are cold, which makes it even harder. Oh, don't be what I think it is. No. Oh, I threw my gloves in the snow. Oh, wow. Oh, come on. 4 more turns to go. 1 more turn. And done! Alright. This is my brother Rowan here. He's going to solve the master Pyraminx out in the snow. Alright, you got it solved. Are your hands cold?
Kind of.
It's pretty cold out here, isn't it? So, yeah. Good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright guys, good morning. It's now day 2 of the hard freeze we've got. It's negative 23 degrees right now. And for this challenge, I'm going to solve a tiny little 3x3 instead of a big 3x3 out in the snow. Alright, now I cannot drop the cube down here in the snow, so I gotta be very careful. I'm gonna set it down, and 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, this cube is so hard to turn just because it's so small. And I solved it! It's day 3 now. It's negative 23 degrees, and right here I have a 9x9. I'm going to have to solve this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. go. No. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I'm going to do this. It's negative 23, not 23. Oh my goodness. You guys should keep in mind that my typical average on the 9x9 is 11 minutes. My gloves are gonna freeze. It's gonna be like, I'm just gonna have to run inside. I mean, even if I put my gloves on after that, they're still gonna be really cold. I only have 2 centers done and I'm already getting cold. Oh my goodness. My hands are freezing cold right now. I can barely turn this thing. Guys, it's starting to burn and I'm only halfway. Oh, it's so cold. I can't feel my fingers at all. Ow, this hurts. This burning me. The cold, it burns. Oh my goodness. I'm being burnt by the cold. This is a very bad idea. I warn you guys, do not try this at home. This is killing me. Ah. Oh, ow. Okay, I got 8 edges done. On to the last 4. Ah! Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh, this is so cold! Ah! Ah! I am slowing down. Ah! You guys, I don't know if I can finish this. Even though I'm so close, I cannot finish this. Uh-oh, is that frostbite? I hope I didn't get frostbite. Oh my goodness, I can't feel my thumb. I cannot feel my thumb. I'm so close. I am so close. Okay. No, Perry! Oh my goodness! I don't know if I'll ever be able to solve Rubik's Cube again. Oh, F2L. Almost done. Oh well. Okay. Oh, I can't stand to do another algorithm. I got one more algorithm. I'm almost done with PLO. I got an R perm, and then I'll be done. Oh. Okay, +2. No, it's not. Done. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I solved the 9x9 out here. Alright, if I'm okay, I'll see you tomorrow. It's negative 29 degrees, and it seems to be just dropping. Negative 29.3, it's cooling down. You guys are probably thinking, why am I boiling water? That's why. For my last challenge, because it's gonna start warming up after this, I'm going to be solving a 5x5 just like the first. I've inspected the cube enough time to solve it. Ooh, it's cold. Oh yeah, it is already getting cold. Ooh, it is cold. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I'll be able to finish the thing two-handed. It is so cold. Finish the centers and oh wow. Okay, the cold is starting to burn me, so I better do this quick. It can't be any harder than solving a 9x9, but it's 30 below 0. It's not 23 below 0. 30 below 0 is way colder. Oh, and if things couldn't get any worse, I got a parody. Ah! Oh my goodness. firm, okay? Done! Oh! Alright. It's been... I don't know how long that took, probably around 2 or 3 minutes, but oh my gosh, it is really cold. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I gotta go in and warm up, so I will see you in the next one.